Hello, good morning children. Today I am taking for class 3rd standard, that is subject English. We are taking today subject English for class 3rd standard. Today date is 3/8/2020. Today day is Monday. Today we are taking Little Drops of Water. This poem page number 9. You will open page number 9. See, open your semester books and open page number 9. See here, you all can see the poem Little Drops of Water. Little Drops of Water. This is the poem. Today we are learning poem. You all just listen carefully. See here, you all keep your fingers and just repeat after me. Little drops of water. Little drops of water. Little grains of sand. Little grains of sand make the mighty ocean and the pleasant land. So the moments, humble though they be, make the mighty ages of eternity. Little deeds of kindness, little words of love, help to make earth happy, like the heaven above. See here, this poem you have to by heart. Once again, shall we repeat? Little drops of water, little drops of water, little grains of little grains of sand, makes the mighty ocean and the pleasant land. So the moments, humble though they be, make the mighty ages of eternity. Little deeds of kindness, little words of love, help to make earth happy, like the heaven above. Today we are learning about drops of water. See here, little drops of water make a mighty ocean. See here, little grains of sand. Little drop means drop by drop it becomes ocean. See here, little grains of sand makes the mighty. Mighty means strong. See here, the meaning of mighty is strong. The ocean makes strong. And the pleasant land. Pleasant means nice. For the land it makes very nice. So the movement means short time. In the little time it makes very big ocean. Humble though they be. Humble meaning simple. It is very simple, but it's make very big ocean. Makes the mighty ages of eternity. Eternity means forever. Forever it rains. It rains for little time, then it remains forever. Little deeds of kindness. Deeds means action. Deeds, what we do? When the rain comes, we sow the land and we get grains from the land. Little words of love. We feel very happy when the rain comes and the grain grows. We feel very happy. See here, little words of love. Then we share one another that rain has come. It has become very good land from the ocean. Helps to make earth happy. It makes very happy for the earth also, like the heaven above. It feels very heavenly that God has given us rain. Raindrops, little it becomes very big ocean. In this poem we learnt about little drops, it makes a big ocean. In this poem, by the little drops we have come to know that we grow land. It fills the ocean, that it comes as a raindrops, then we grow in the land grains, then we feel happily that we share our love one another, that we are happy to see the grains from our raindrops. See here, once again shall we repeat the poem? Little drops of water, little grains of sand, makes the mighty ocean and the pleasant land, nice land. So the moments, humble though it may be very little, it will be very happy. It makes very happy to us. Makes the mighty ages. See here mighty, here we saw strong. Here makes the mighty ages. For the youngsters and the old people, it feels very happy for eternity, forever. Forever they feel very happy. Little deeds of kindness. Deeds means action. What we do? After rain comes, we sow the land, then we get grains, then after sowing, we reap. And that the grain comes, we feel very happy after seeing the grains. Little deeds of kindness. Little words of love. Then we show our happiness to each other. Help to make earth happy. What it helps? For the rain, when the rain comes, it makes the land also happy. Then for people also it makes happy. Like the heaven above. As we are in the heaven, we feel very happy when the rain comes, when we sow the land, when we cut when we sow the land, when the grain comes, we feel very happy to see our happiness. We feel as we are in heaven. So, little drops of water makes the mighty ocean. In this, we learnt about the little drops. Here, just you all read. Read here. You have to read para by para, that you have to by heart the poem. Today, see here, little drops of water by heart. You have to by heart it. Homework. This is the homework for you all. You all have to by heart the poem. See here, after by hearting, you have to write the meanings in your notes. You have to write the meanings in your notes. See here, meanings you have to write mighty. See here, first one meanings here. Write down in your notes. MEANINGS. Meanings. First one you write mighty. MIGHTY. Mighty meaning strong. 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 Second one, then pleasant. 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 Nice. 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 Third one, eternity. 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 Forever. FOR for EVER. Forever. Then fourth one, that is deed. 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 Action. 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 Fifth word, humble. HUMBLE. Humble means simple. 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 Humble word meaning is simple. Then sixth one, movement. MOMENT. Movement meaning see a short time. SHORT. Short. TIME. Short time. See here, today I have given you 6 meanings. You have to note down in your notes. These are the 6 meanings given for the lesson Little Drops of Water. See here. Shall we repeat the meanings now? You have to by heart the poem Little Drops of Water. Then meanings you have to write in the notes. First meaning, mighty. You say strong. 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 Mighty, strong. Pleasant, nice. Eternity, forever. Deed, action. Humble, simple. Moment, short time. Moment, short time. See here, these meanings you have to read, then you have to write in your notes also. Tomorrow, shall we move to the next? Tomorrow, shall we continue The next one, thank you.